bullshit.
You might. I seen your. What
Ah,
happened? You tried to kill yourself?
no.
Yes.
I don't want to be kill myself. This is bawas ng sakit.
Stress. So when
Stress
you are
out.
stressed, you try to hurt yourself.
Yes, because I don't have a people. I don't want
You
to
to
have people
talk
to
to.
hurt.
No, that's how many is it? It's a lot. How old
Yeah.
are you when you start hurting yourself?
Totally, because I'm a little girl pa. That's why I use di ko makita. Like this. Totally, I'm 10 to 11 years old.
I stop that. Stop that. If you are stressed, stop that. You try to hurt yourself. Just pray to God. Or
Now,
in Muslim, they don't praise God.
now I don't do it because I'm.
That's
Excuse me.
nice.
This is
That's good.
totally. I'm not 10 years old. That's why I do this because very hard time. Many
Having
problem.
a lot.
So you don't you can the other people say why you do that. Many people, but many we did not understand because
When you
how
are 10-year-old, right?
yes
My God,
may kaya kasi
stress.
kami tapos biglang naghirap.
So your family has money,
Mm.
wealthy family, and then your
And
family
then
get down.
no not I my mama and papa is have a money, and then my father is have a pension because my dad have a
Oh, old.
old. And then my father died in my birthday, July 10, 2003. Then my father's dead with that day, and then my mother's come her new boyfriend in the day of my father's dead, and that day my birthday.